Hi there guys, Delta Australia here again. And today we're on LEGO City Undercover again. Hope you've seen my train spotting vlogs that I have made and my short videos on all of the level crossings. But today we're going on a special trip. What a handy parking space. Anyways then, we're going to be boarding a train. See, LEGO City is terrible with the railway. They don't even have a walkway with the railway to cross the tracks or something. They're a bit stupid, aren't they? Right, anyways. Let's get ready to board. Right, there's one coming this way, down there, that's gonna come up towards us. And there's one on Auburn Bay Bridge. I bet they're both gonna end up down here. But I think the Auburn Bay Bridge one's gonna be closest. No, actually, it might well be the other one, because look, it's not gonna have anywhere. It's not gonna stop anywhere. Although, to be fair, that will stop at Auburn, but it's closer. You know what? I'm gonna think they're going to be pretty much arriving at the same time. Right. I'm gonna make it more realistic and wait behind the yellow line. Anyway, I'm going to wait at the station, because I'm not doing a fast travel. I'm gonna actually have a scenic view of the train. That's actually what we're doing today. Auburn there. Oh, and here comes the other one. Here comes the choo-choo train. Question is though, which way are we going? Because they're both ending up here. You can see one here and one here. I think we're gonna board the one that goes that way first. I don't know, we'll just wait and see which one comes this side. Yeah, look over there. And now look over there. Yeah, they're both pulling in at the same time now. I'm gonna get a front view seat here. Oh dear. Oh dear, now that train started to move a bit. Anyway, we're now on the train. Oh, good view there. Right. I've never actually seen this before. It gives you a good view as you go by train. But it might just be because I'm normally in multiplayer mode, split screen, with me on the left and my brother on the right, sometimes the other way round. Oh, and then here we go, we come out the other end. So, we're now on Blackwell Bridge, all the way up here. We've just come out of that side there. So the first crossing we'll pass is Bluebell Station. Oh, I've missed the view, haven't I? They look more halogen to me, those lights. Got one of our free play missions in there. I never do the story mode. Trust me, I do LCU for the train spotting. Here we go, we're going over Bluebell Station, level crossing. And now we're pulled into Bluebell Station. Now if you can see the other side, you won't yet, but over there, I've pointed out, it's Bluebell Bridge level crossing. The one without any crossing plant, but it's still on a road. Here we go. Right. Have a look over there. There, we've just gone over it. Oh, here we go. We're going to go through Fort Meadows Station. I just hope we don't have another collision, because we get a lot of those. Oh, we've just passed by the other train. Oh, if you saw that, that was a near miss. Ah, enough with the misuse at this crossing. They have a lot of misuse there. If they don't install some sort of signal or something, I'm going to be real mad. Although it's kind of fun, though, to watch all the collisions. Because humans are a bit mean. Here we go. To the left, we can now see a little bit of a ramp here. You can actually drive a car through it, and I have done on many occasions. How about we do that, huh? Here we are, we're now pulling into Auburn Station. Now yes, it is a bit underground, but if you see over there, that, you can, if you walk through that, it will take you above ground or below ground depending on which point of it you are. Oh, here we go. What does LRTS stand for? It says on the side of the Emerald Knight. I'd say probably LEGO Rail Transport Service or something. But you'll have to check that one. Yum. I've never actually wondered that. Just excuse me, I'm going to move the switch in my tablet this way. Here we go, we're approaching Cherry Tree Station again. Because it's in Cherry Tree Hills. Don't ask me why they chose some of these names. Well, I know Fort Meadows is Fort Meadows because there's a castle in it. Thank you very much, train. Yeah, look, LRTS. I'm gonna assume that's LEGO Rail Transport Service or something. Oh, and here comes the other one. You saw nothing. Oops. Right, actually, out of my way. Right, this was where we parked our car, but I need to just get myself a new one. I need to get myself a new car because it's despawned, obviously. It was despawned, obviously. Oh dear, there's a police car there. How about we do that thing I pointed out at Auburn Bay Bridge? Well, there's a couple of stump ramps to do. That was close. How about we drive up this stump ramp up here? Oh, I can never make the happy landing. Oh, sorry. What on earth did he just jump into the wall for? You know, some people in LEGO City are really stupid sometimes. Here we go, on Auburn Bay. Why was he driving too close to me? I blame that 100% on him. Now, I hope I'm not going to have to pay for these lampposts. Because if I do, I'm going to be mardy. Oh, never mind, they'll just rebuild over time. And then you can go way over here. And then just to realise you've got another one. Oh, I got the happy landing that time. Another happy landing. Oh, smashing through a lamp. 2 lampposts, 3 lampposts, 4. Let's see if we can get the supercar. Oh dear. Oh crud, I did not intend to do that. I'm just going to see if I need a little bit of fuel. Which I don't really, but it's all just part of the play pretend. But anyways, thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.